Hey guys, the 3.2 lessons are going to be pretty simple ones, so I'll try to go through these ones pretty quickly. Just make sure you're still taking good notes, and these ones shouldn't be a problem for you. So 3.2a is classifying triangles by sides, and we're going to go through 3 different ways that you can classify triangles by sides. And the first one is called a scalene triangle, and some of these I'm sure you've heard before as well. So a scalene triangle has 0 sides congruent. Okay, so you might have something that looks like this, and you would have either 3 different numbers on the sides, or you could use like some tick marks. So maybe we have 1 tick mark and 2 tick marks and 3 tick marks, showing that all 3 sides are different, so 0 sides congruent. Okay, the second type of triangle, if you're classifying by sides, is an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides. All right, so maybe we have something that looks like this. And this guy down here is called the base. And it has its own length. So maybe we'll give it 1 tick mark. And then these guys here are called the legs. So this is a leg and this is a leg. And they are going to be congruent to one another. So if we give 2 tick marks to one, we'll give 2 tick marks to the other. And then lastly, an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides. So I'll try to draw this the best I can so that they all look the same. 1, 2, 3 sides are all congruent. All right, so we'll just jump into a couple quick examples here. Classify each triangle by its side. So if we look at the first one, we have 3 different side lengths, 3, 4, 5.5. That's going to be a scalene triangle. All right. Second one, we don't have a diagram there, but we can tell without it that we are dealing with an isosceles triangle because we have 2 sides that are exactly the same. So if we wanted to draw it, we certainly could. We would do something like this, and then we would go 3 inches, 3 inches, and 5 inches. And that is an isosceles triangle. All right, and then the very last one here, we don't have any numbers, but we do know that all 3 sides are the same because we have x, x, and x. We could add tick marks if we wanted to, all 3 of them that are exactly the same. So that's going to be an equilateral. All right. So that's it. I don't have a summary for that one because that's a pretty simple one.